Fearless!
Rundown!
Exclusive of showbiz.
Happenings! Fresh! Fresh na fresh!
Subject, mestizo male celeb. Dahuang male celeb na ito, killer ng ordinary working girls.
Police! Police!
Hindi ganong killer. Mahilig lang mang-spot ng pretty working girls itong si male celeb. At pag may na-super typean siya, umaari ba ito sa kagimikang playboy?
Me? Playboy? So not true. So not true.
Ang kwento, nasa mall lang si male celeb at balak magpaayos ng phone. Sa pinasukang store, may nasaitsong siyang nameless pretty customer service girl na Bethany Betchay niya.
Dictionary! Hi! Bethany Betchay, meaning type Tipelia. Gusto, Bethany Betchay. Wow! Hoy!
Super gawa si male celeb ng paraan para ang Bethany Betchay niyang girl ang mag-assist sa kanya. Kaso, major fail dahil sa ibang customer service officer siya napunta. Pero hindi pa rin siya gumibap. Using his celebrity powers, na-convince niya ang nag-a-assist sa kanya na ibigay sa kanya ang name and personal number ni girl.
Please.
After which, nag-text na siya sa girl. Pero disimulado muna. Papa-assist muna kunwari sa kung anek-anek.
What is anek-anek?
Hingi ng info tungkol sa Eklabu.
What is Eklabu?
Sabay segue ng
Can I launch you out together?
di lang natin alam kung bumigay na si nameless girl sa charms ni male celeb. Pero ano rating nyo?
CSK as in customer service killer!
Daho si mestizo male celeb. May anak na siya, pero separated na sa celeb na jowa niya. Kaya pwede na. So isosyogo na lang namin siya sa name song na Carlo Rogers. Yun na.
Still pumipitik.
Ang panghuling fashion tea ng taon!
Aste goes to FFFFFF Awards Night 2010 for...
Dahil pang-pamilya na rin naman ang buong MMFF nowadays,
Pamilya na rin ang bumabandera sa red carpet ng MMFF Awards Night.
first, the Gutierrezes, led by Eddie Gutierrez and Annabel Rama.
Pero ang star siyempre ay ang anak case nila who saved the day for the MMFF. Richard in a class suit with white cuffs.
Raymond in a bow tie at naniniwala sa powers ng black on black.
At Rufa Gutierrez na nakakasilaw na radiant in her layered gown and graduating youth.
Enter the Martinez Mulaks led by Direk Albert and Lizelle Martinez who is in a red ninang sa kasal and Sam.
Pero forgivable, lakilang face, Hollywood!
Kajoin nila ang stylist daughter nilang si Alisa Martinez, who was in a vintage-looking all-black lace gown.
Broken by red lips and red clouds, fashion kani!
Followed by Aliana Martinez na voluptuous baka mo. Eto, pagpikabo pa ako.
Escorted by nangangaswal mang Sid na Zero.
Pag-updater jacket to an awards night? Paiba match tayo, kuya!
Segway sa pabulosang Eigenman led by...
Sherry Hill in an in-part state building inspired princess dress na. Sid, makinig ka! Casual pa rin ang effect, pero glamorosa kung glamorosa pa rin.
At sa idyahan, di papahuli ang dalawang Janakis niya, ha?
They are followed by the next generation Igon Man and the uncourted by his younger bro.
And there was in a blue ruffled mini na in a true fashionista mode. Ay kaber kung matapakan ng train. May pampadry clean ako.
Lipat na muna sa mga pari ko Rapa peeps who were for the most well-dressed for the occasion.
Mervin Augustin looks safe. Safe, but good.
Jake Cuenca in his overstyled hair was in a K-pop slim mood. From slim shoes, slim pants, slim tie, pati face, slim na rin.
Saka kuya, bawas sa whitening soap at BB cream, ha?
Tito Bush was in a barong na may bewang ba?
Wag nang matensang smile, Tito Butch, ha? Parang takot ka. Family tayo. Move on nga tayo. Philip Salvador was there in a barong. Ricky Dabao was in a suit. Si Vic Soto naman, casual lang.
And then there was Bong Revilla, a mini, nag-slim for the major deliciousness effect.
Leveling lang sila. Dapat ngayon ang actress, politician, wife niyang sila ni Mercado na right balance of conservative and showbiz in her Violet Empire waisted gown.
Carla was inflated bustier with navel-length big necklace to break the redness. Fabulous!
Mas maliit ang big necklace ni Aramina. Well, either maliit yung necklace o na-overwhelm ng Sierra Madre Mountains sa dala ni Ara.
Pero yung pearl mo sa atin mo, may bewang ka ulit siya. Ha! Hello, FHM? Tawag agad si Ari at yung Victoria agad bago siya makapag-dinner ulit.
Di rin napupulaan ang understated yet elegant black strapless gown ni Cres.
Post!
Sige na nga, wag nang pansinin ang bilbil sa kinikiling.
Sige na nga!
Para nga dumating si Santa Claus sa Showbizlandia at inaginaldohan ang lahat ng bongga fashion taste.
Sa trio, in mini na ito na mini dress kung mini dress. Ay! Matutumba! Wow! Nasa Kevin. Ang taas kasi ng heels eh.
Iksinadura rin ang girl na ito in the asymmetrical black and white striped dress. Baka dyan, girl.
Pero kabugera ng gabi ang mga K-pop girl na ito with their funky dyed hair, black ruffled top na may rhinestone belt, flowing green skirt at major attitude. Pak! Ikaw na, girl!
Eh, itong si Mador na padating.
Next na po.
Please, let's na!
This is
The Big Boss Authority. Ang makabagong pambansang best friend na si Cherry Solomon, nakaaway daw si Mang Enriquez. Aba, hindi namin yan.
Nagpalit man ng taon kami dito. Stay pa din dito sa Rampage!
Una, ka-join ang bad boy ng dance floor, Mark Heras. Rampa tayo sa kanyang birthday celebration with the kids of the shelter of Our Father Foundation held Enchanted Kingdom. Secondly, go tayo sa anniversary and New Year lunch party by Starstruck survivor Enzo Pineda. Present here si Sara Labate along with her family and Enzo Sara fans. Last Thursday yan sa Max's Quezon City Circle. Finally, Marian Knights Fans Club had a special screening of Super and Die for the benefit of street children held last Sunday at Gateway Mall Cinema 7.
Rampage, end!